called again?
Page rank.
Page rank.
Yeah. And on the tool, you'll be able to see, it'll say PR, and usually it's a question mark because you don't, let me explain how the tool works first, I guess. You can set it so that it can give you the results if you're doing an organic search. It will tell you all the information about each site on the search results page. Now that's bad to do because that pings Google server and that appears to be spammy. Early on in my career, I was using a tool like that, and I may have shut down Google for the company I worked at because they thought that our IP address was spam. So when you download it, make sure that you tell them to not load results. When you have the question mark, all you have to do is click on that question mark, and it'll give you just that one. That's not spammy if you do it just a few times. When you do it a couple hundred times within a few minutes, you shut down Google and you get to put that on your resume. Not something you necessarily want. Lesson learned, avoid it, like I did not.
A bunch of librarians hanging on these web people, and I realized slowly as consumers kind of moved to more of a, well, I'm going to go surf, to more of a, I'm actually looking for something. I realized that a lot of what I do is really about just helping people find what they're looking for, and so it really does come back to, is Google, as an example, really just a large art catalog for the entire, for the entire internet? And so each page on the site is that really just kind of very much in the book, and that's really what it comes down to. What we used to do is we used to do what we call, now it's called black hat SEO, but we used to do a lot of what was kind of like sheet. Cloaking is one of the examples where we create kind of base pages that only the search engine would see, and we maintain big databases of IP addresses on all the different search engines. And so when they came to see a site, we would show them one page. When a human visitor came to see a site, we'd show them the really pretty version of the page that didn't have any text on it. And the search engine eventually caught wise to that and said, you can't do that anymore. Okay, we won't do that. And then we came up with an idea back when they started applying backlinks to pages. We came up with the idea, well, we'll just create these giant databases of sites and we make them all cross-link each other. But only the search engine can see all these cross-links to create these giant networks of backlinks from different unrelated sites, and then the search engine said, no, we can't do that. Okay. We won't do that anymore either. So back to what Jason was saying, we realized, well, content is king. So unfortunately for our clients, frequently we'll just say, you got to have more content, you got to have better content, you got to have people talking about your content, and then you're going to start showing up in the search engine.